Hey sports fans, Steve from TeshCon here, bringing you another installment of the TeshCon Tech Tip. We are still in the series we're doing on our SpectroDens device. Today's tech tip, I'm going to talk about a feature called Ink Check. It's a very powerful feature built into the device where we are going to give press operators specific density adjustments, moving density up or down by a certain amount or a certain density amount to reduce the delta E and to get the smallest delta E possible, right? To get the best color match. So this is a great way to kind of connect density and delta E for your press operators. And come on back and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, I'm gonna grab my SpectroDens device. First thing I'm going to do is put it into the ink check mode. I'm going to use the mode selector here, right? This is where all my functions are. And I'm just going to scroll down until I see ink check. And I'm going to select that. And it's going to ask me to, well, actually the next step I'm going to do is actually set my reference. So when doing the ink check feature, again, there's an aim set of values, that some kind of reference values or aim values, and then there are measurements. And so I'm going to set up what values I'm going to use for my aim here. So I have a list of color libraries that are already stored inside the device. I could choose the Pantone libraries, or maybe I have color books or libraries made for some of my customers. For today, I'm going to use the Grackle 2013 CRPC print condition. It's an industry standard print condition, and it matches pretty well with the type of printing that I have on my press sheet here. So I'm going to just select that, and then I'm just going to switch over to the sample mode. And now I need to measure white. So I measure the paper white. And now we should be ready to roll. So I'm going to measure my first color. I'm going to start off with yellow. And once you're set up in this mode, you don't have to tell the device what color you're measuring. It's automatically searching that Grackle library. So I just measured yellow, and I see on screen here, right, it's telling me to increase the yellow density by 0.15 or by 12.5%. And if I do make those changes to the yellow density, if I bump it up, I'm going to reduce my delta E from a 1.3 down to a 0.3. So, press operator is getting very clear instructions on, how to make density moves, right? Very specific density adjustments to minimize delta E. Okay, so there was a demonstration of our ink check feature. Again, super powerful feature, great way to help press operators minimize delta E simply by making density adjustments, and the device is recommending exact density adjustments to reduce that delta E. So that's it for this week or this time. We'll see you next time.